Hello friends, myself Ravi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn what is property binding and how we can implement property binding. So without getting late, let's get started. So the first question arises is what is property binding? The property binding allows us to bind HTML element property to a property in the component. Now let's get to the VS Code and see what it actually is. Let's open app.component.ts. Let's create one variable which is disabled equals to true. Go to app.component.html. We will create one input box with type equals to text and put the value equals to Ravi. Okay, and put a closing tag here. Let's go to our UI and see. You can see one input box with value Ravi. Now let's try to apply a property binding. In order to do the property binding, we need to use one square bracket. Inside that, we need to name the property. In my case, it is disabled. And give the value we have created is disabled. Right? Now let's get back to our UI and see. You can see this input box is disabled. This is how we use our property binding in the HTML DOM. If you want to make any change, you can make it to the false and go to our UI. You can see now it is enabled. Now we also need to understand the difference between the property and the attribute. For this purpose, I have created one slide. If you see here, properties are defined by the DOM, while on the other side attributes are defined by HTML. Angular recommends property binding instead of attribute binding. But if you don't have any corresponding property for that attribute, then you can use attribute binding. That's it for this video. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial, you can comment it below. I will definitely try to answer it. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe our channel to get more updates. Thanks and have a nice day.